So good morning friends. So my name is Lokesh. So we are going to discuss a beautiful shortcut of multiplying any number with 5. So let us take an example of 22 into 5. I am not doing it in a normal way. Instead, I will divide this 22 with 2. 22 by 2 is 11 and I'll add simple 1 0. I'll repeat once again. I am not multiplying in a normal method. Means I am not doing 22 times 5. Instead, I am dividing this 22 by 2. We'll get 11 and simply putting 1 0. There is a method. And I will reveal the logic here. 22 times 5 I can write as 10 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 11s are. So 11 10s are 110. This is simple than this. Okay. So I prefer this method of multiplying whenever it by 5. Let us take one more example. Let us try with 38 into 5. So divide 38 by 2, we'll get 19 and simply put 0. So the answer is 190. Okay. Let us take one more example. 46 into 5. Divide 46 by 2, we'll get 23 and put 10. 230 is the answer. So we'll do somewhat big problems. 98 into 5. Divide 98 by 2, 49 and simply put 0. It's the answer. So 88 into 5. Divide 88 by 2, we'll get 44 and put 10. Okay. So it is as simple as that. Now we'll solve some more examples. Let us try odd numbers like 17 into 5. Divide 17 by 2, we'll get 8.5. Just write 85. Don't write point, just write 85. That is the answer. I am repeating once again. Divide 17 by 2, we'll get 8.5. That is the answer. Without point, you have to write. No need of putting 0 also. Let us take one more example. 39 into 5. 39 by 2. First near number is 38 by 2 is 19. 39 by 2 is 19.5. Right? 195. That's it. This 19.5. Remove that point and write the answer. 195. Let us take one more example. 57 into 5. 57 by 2. First divided by 2. 57 by 2. It is 28.5. That is the answer. Right? Without point. 285 is the answer. So like that we can do n number of multiplications with 5. Similarly, whenever we are multiplying with 25, let us take some 23 into 25. Okay. Don't multiply 23 with 25. Instead, first divide by 4. 23 by 4. How much will get? 4 5s are 20. 3 is remaining. 0. 4 7s are 28. So, we'll get 4 5s are 20. 3 0. So 4 7s are 28. So 2 0 4 5s are 20. 5.75, right? 575. That is the answer. That is the answer. Okay. Actually, I'm revealing the logic here. So 23 into 25 I can write as 100 by 4. So that is why we are dividing 23 by 4. So we'll get 5.75 into 100. Into 100 means putting point after 2 decimals. So 575 is the answer. Like this we can do multiplication with 25. Let us solve one more example. Well, I can take 69 here. 69 into 25. Well, what I will do, I'll divide 69 by 4. So 4 17 are 68. So 68.25. Let me do. 4 17s are 68. 1.0. 4 2s are 8. 2 0 4 5s are 20. That means 17.25. The answer is 1725. Understood how I got it? Right? Let us take 70 into 25. And this is somewhat different. 70 by 4. we'll do 70 by 4. Better do it in mind. So 4 20s are 60, 4 20s are 80. That means 4 15s are 60. 4 17s 68. So 2 is remaining. 4 5s 20. That means 17.5. But we have to put 2 zeros. So remove 1 point and put 1 0. Okay, understood? Actually the answer is 17.5, but we have to multiply with 100. Here 1 point is there, so 1.10 cancel, so we'll put 10. 1750 is the answer. Okay, so like this we will do multiplication with 25. In a similar fashion, we'll multiply with 50. Let us take an example of 38 into 50. Don't do it 50, instead do it with 100. So 38 into 100 by 2. 2 ones are 2 19s are. The answer is 1900. Okay. So similarly 73 into 50. The answer is 3650. Because the answer is 36.5. We'll write 100 by 2. The answer is 3650. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.